Hello guys, welcome to this video. Let's get started. First of all, make sure Python installed and then code editor, whatever you like. Here's the list of code editor that you can use. I am going to use Atom, which is a free version. Check out the description if you want any of this code editor. In order to install this package, make sure you connect it to network. Open your command prompt and then here type pip install spam hyphen bot and then press enter. It will take some while. I am going to skip the download process until it's complete. Once you successfully installed, you just close command prompt and open Atom. When you opening Atom for the first time, you will see welcome guide like this. And next go to file, under settings, go to install and here type script. Script package which helps to run our script. It has the maximum downloads. You just press install. In my case I already installed. Next close all the tabs, we don't need this. And next go to file and new file and press Ctrl plus yes. It will ask where you want to save. I am going to create a new folder for that. Click new folder and I am going to type Python project. Oops, my bad. And inside the project folder I am going to save my file, name it to spam.py and click save and minimize your code editor. This hack zip file will be available in the description below. And next right click, extract, open the folder that we extracted, copy the Hack.txt file and paste it on your project folder. Once you done this, go back to your editor and then here type from spam underscore bot import ReadFile and the next line will be file equal to ReadFile, open curly brackets, inside the brackets I am going to put a quotation. Inside the quotation I am going to type Hack.txt and the next line file.spam off. If you run this script, you can quickly switch tabs to whatever app that you want to spam. Okay guys, let's see in action. I am going to create a new text document. Right click, new text document and I am going to rename it to testing. I am going to run the script and see how it works. Wait 5 more seconds. Boom! There we go. We made it guys. Feel free to comment if anything goes wrong. Make sure subscribe and thank you for watching guys. I'll see you in the next video.